Hello, I'm your teacher, Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's short English lesson. Now, we're going to take a look at the phrase, put in. Many people often make very simple mistakes using put in. Here's the situation. Your friend finds a coin on the ground. Your friend asks you if it's your coin. It is your coin. You want to tell your friend to put the coin in your bag. So you say, "Please coin put in bag." But your friend looks at you strangely. Why? When you use put in, try to remember this pattern. Put object in location. For example, let's say that the coin is the object and the bag is the location. So we would say, "Please put the coin in the bag." We could also say, "Please put it in the bag." Okay? Let's look at a few more examples. Let's do some review. Today we learned that put in can be a little difficult to use. Many people make mistakes. For example, "Please pencil put in bag." When you use put in, you should use this pattern. Put plus object plus in plus location. For example, "Please put the coin in the bag." Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to help us, please go to our Patreon page and become a supporter. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.